Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, topic Trigonometric Identities, and then exercise 8.4. In exercise 8.4, till the question number 4, two parts are over. Now third part is given. Sec A plus tan A in one bracket. Sec A plus tan A in one bracket. And 1 minus sin A in another bracket. It is a MCQ question you want to prove. So what will you do here? Change the first bracket in sin and cos. Sec A 1 upon cos A, tan A sin A upon cos A. First of all you will change it. Second bracket as it is. Now take the LCM cos A 1 plus sin A 1 minus sin A. You see the numerator multiply by numerator. What will you get? A plus B A minus B A square minus B square upon cos A. 1 square minus sin square. 1 minus sin square A upon cos A. Denominator has no square. Now what will you do? Identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then what is cos square theta? 1 minus sin square theta means it is a cos square A upon cos A. By identity you are writing this. Reason? 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Then cos A and power will be cancelled. You are getting cos A. And which option is given in the cos A? Here sin A upon cos A. Which option is given? Last option D is the given. What is the point? D option is cos A is your correct answer. Numerator cos A is left. Fourth part of this question is given. Fourth part. Fourth question, fourth part. What is there? 1 plus tan square A. Find the value of 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Very simple. Direct identity. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Sec you write in the reciprocal of which it is a reciprocal of 1 upon cos square A. Cosec is a reciprocal of 1 upon sin square A. Then 1 upon cos square A. Apply the rule of which rule? Apply the rule of fraction. Denominator has fraction, then it will be reciprocal. You will get sin square A into 1 cos square A into 1. What is this? Sin square A upon cos square A is equal to tan square A. Directly also you can solve it. Directly cot change into 1 upon tan also you can solve it. So last option D is again correct. What is? D is the option which is tan square A, and it is your correct option. D part. Now question number 5. In the question number 5 you will get the very important parts. Very important identities you want to prove. Identities you want to prove it. How will you prove this? How will you prove this? Very simple. How will you prove? First part, there are many parts. Question number 5 has 10 parts. So these 10 parts have different type of the question. First part is given cosec theta minus cot theta. Very important part, and the question, fifth question is a very important of this chapter, which is given. Many questions given in this in the different type. There is no particular rule. You learn the identity from first day till the last day. All the relations in the one chart paper, you write all the relation together and then you apply this. Question number 5, part number 1. Question number 5, part number 1 is given. Cosec theta minus cos theta cot theta whole square. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. You want to prove. Very simple. You take the LHS, you apply your mind and think what you can apply and get the relation. Cosec theta minus cot theta. You want cos. It means you change it into the basic identity. Sin cos tan. Sin cos 1 upon sin theta. Minus cot theta cos theta upon sin theta. It is whole square. Other methods also, from right also you can prove left. Take LCM. What is the LCM? 1 minus cos theta you want. Here. Right side again you check what you want. 1 minus cos, it is given there. So no need to disturb the numerator. As it is you write squaring separately. Now apply the identity. Now you want cos in denominator also. So denominator you change the cos. Numerator you want what that is given, but it is given in whole square form. Denominator also you want cos, then what will you write this as a 1 minus cos square theta. By the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So at the place of sin square theta you can write this. Factorize this. Factorize the denominator by formula a square minus b square. A plus b in one bracket, a minus b and another bracket. One bracket which is another is common, which is numerator. So this and this will be cancelled. Your answer is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is your RHS. Power is cancelled by the power means 2 times. So it is over. Now, second part of this question. Fifth question, second part. It is given cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to, you apply the rule and get the answer 2 sec. You want to prove it is 2 sec. Again you take the LHS, apply the mind your what you do here, then get the sum. All are given in the basic identities, no any change you will get here. So first step you will do, convert the two fraction in one fraction. What is the process? Taking the LCM. It is the process. 1 plus sin A in one bracket and cos A is another. Cos A multiply by cos A, you get the cos square A. 1 plus sin A multiply by 1 plus sin A, you will get 1 plus sin A whole square. Taking LCM like this, open the bracket. Only the numerator bracket, not the denominator. Denominator will be no change because you want 1 upon cos here. Right side you see and then according to this you solve the question. So denominator there is a no change. Numerator cos square is here, but a plus b whole square, 1 square plus sin square a plus 2 sin a. Okay. Both you write at one place, sin square a plus cos square a plus 1 plus 2 sin A, but don't touch in the denominator any calculation, because you want to cancel 1 plus sin A. Sin square A plus cos square A will give you 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A. 1 plus sin A and cos A. Now 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 2. What are you getting? 2 plus 2 sin A in the numerator, 1 plus sin A in one bracket in the denominator, and cos A. Take 2 common in the numerator. What are you getting? 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So both the bracket, numerator's bracket and denominator bracket cancel. It is left 2 upon cos A, and 2 upon cos A gives you 2 upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. What will you write? You can write this at this place 2 sec A. That is RHS. 1 upon cos sec, then 2 upon cos 2 sec. Okay. Thanks for this, and you can complete your exercise. Next questions I will tell you next.